All right, so right here, make sure you get some gear. Grab some gear from Revzilla. Get some gear. We got links in the description for that. All right, good job with the head checks. So situationally aware so far. Watch out. Big open lane. Not big on the right side. Everyone's stacked up. Careful. Okay. Okay. We're doing good. Okay, looks like nobody's coming. We're doing good. Watch outside of the vehicle right there. All right. Are they going to come into our lane? Yep. Yep. Don't rev bomb. Don't rev bomb, please. Okay. All right. All right. You see how you do so well, and then behaviors change so many different things. All right, so it was a 30 back there. It's a 45 now. We're going 54. Doesn't look like we adjusted speed or anything. Doesn't have a rock form mount. But now you got somebody pissed at you. See, that's the thing is you act like that. You have somebody pissed at you.
You're not getting on my. Oh, you think it's fun?
Yeah. See, this is now it's road rage. Now it's road rage. You're gonna run red light too. Yep. Yep. I was saying you were doing so well up until this point. You were doing so well. So well. All right. So we got to remember, after action review, we take what's good, remove the bad. So we already know what not to do. The ego, the anger. Let's remove it. Let's remove it from this whole situation. There's no point in focusing on that. Let's focus on what happened that was good. Okay. So we're going through here. The red light. Okay. So he's going to do it. He's going to slowly go into it. Look both ways multiple times. Very good. Left, right, left. Very good. So it's hard to see. I'm trying to get it right on it, but it's about 54 miles per hour we're doing. 53, 54. And when I see this, I see how we are not going with the flow of traffic. The flow of traffic on the right lane, which is supposed to be the slow lane, is going slower. But we're passing pretty quickly. Okay, so when I see that, it's like, well, what are we doing in terms of being conspicuous to other drivers? Other drivers expect people on the road to be doing the speed limit. So when they make judgment calls to merge or do anything like that, they're expecting those people to go the speed limit. And they're able to judge based off of the whole flow of traffic, not just one person at a time. So we're going 54, maintaining the 54. You see how we're passing everybody? So this person right up here, let's do that. A little bit easier. This person right here is anticipating the rest of the flow of traffic, and then we're going, it looks an awful lot like 64 right there. Either way, we're going too fast for the area and for the rest of the traffic. So when this person comes out in front of us, take a quick look. Look how much we have to slow down. We slow down to the flow of that vehicle to our right. We're not gaining any more speed. This vehicle in front of us isn't gaining any more speed. So this vehicle merged and is going the speed limit. We are not going the speed limit, therefore we're getting pissed because this person slowed us down. It's not that they got in front of us, it's that they slowed us down. And we don't like that. When I say we, I speak for the motorcyclists we typically see on here. Motorcyclists don't like being slowed down by an external vehicle. Why? I don't care. Class, do you guys care if we get slowed down? We just kind of roll off the throttle. We're listening to music on our CARDO Pack Talk Bowl and we're just having a good time? Or are you getting pissed? If you're getting pissed, you start thinking about what it is you're doing. So speed limit's 30 right there. Let's see what we do. We're going to accelerate. And now we're going to create issues. So now we're waiting for that person to come at us.
Get off my.
We're getting so angry. This right here.
You're not getting on my.
We just can't do that. We can't do that. We're not going to win. Yeah, Alpha Preacher, just vibing with traffic as a new rider. Just vibe with traffic. That's a quote of the day. Quote of the day, vibing with traffic. And then we're going to run red light. Good 360 situation awareness. You need to plug your phone in, it's dying.
Where you going? I'm going in between the cars. I'm going between the cars.
This way.
Can,
Where you going? Left or right?
between the cars.
All right.
Between.
Right.
In the middle, mother. In the middle, mother. In the middle. That's where I go. In the middle. I'm a motorcycle. I'm a motorcycle.
This right here
Go in the middle. We're allowed to go in the middle.
is why you shouldn't lane filter if it's not legal.
You almost hit me. Now stay off your mother phone. If you weren't on your phone, maybe you would see me. You know what? No comprende, mother. No comprende. Go.
So this is, I know this is California. This is California. So, but this is why I don't lane filter in areas where it's illegal, because the general public don't know what you're doing, and if it's illegal, they know it's illegal, because default they don't like it because you're cutting in line. You know, it's just, it attacks their psychology. But this is also something you got to deal with in places like California. This obviously happened. Mr. V-Rod is in the right. He's doing what is legal, not illegal in the state of California. He's lane filtering. The person that is having a problem with it is either having a bad day, doesn't know the law, just wants to argue, whatever it is. But that is the problem. So you're going to run into these things if you do this in Arizona, you do this in Texas, you do this in states where it's not legal. You're going to have people come out and try to get you and argue with you. An uneducated public is definitely a danger to motorcyclists when it comes to lane filtering. So when I hear about people wanting to pass all these lane filtering laws in states, I want lane filtering laws to be passed. I want to be able to utilize lane filtering. But at the same time, I'm really concerned and really worried for the first 10 years of lane filtering in whatever state gets it legalized. Because then you're going to have dum-dums like this car driver arguing nonsense. I'm worried about that. So when it comes to Mr. V-Rod, he did a great job. So he's not doing anything crazy. Well, maybe before this, he was lane filtering. Maybe he lane filtered past this California driver, but the California driver didn't like it. So he's going to say some stupid stuff. But if this was Arizona and you lane filtered in between this Arizona driver and he said some stuff, hey, you're in the wrong. You shouldn't be lane filtering. That's the difference. I'm not saying lane filtering is bad. I'm saying do it when it's legal and utilize it when it's safe to do so. That's it. That's all I care about. Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to CARDO for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I could talk to my kids on their CARDO Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a CARDO Pack Talk. Bold, slim, freecom, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you get a discount. Anyways, let's get back. All right, so we're riding. Merging issues definitely on off ramps. Watch out for anybody wanting to switch lanes last second like this. Almost hit that car. Good job, Ninja, with the 360 situation awareness. I would stay away from the dum-dum. He's already cut across. Don't get in the blind spot with the dum-dum. I forgot which car it was. Yeah, don't get next to these dum-dums. Good positioning. See his line of sight? Yep, there's that dum-dum. You're gonna get back on the interstate going the other way. Okay, we're just doing highway pulls in a little hatchback. That's not hatchback, but whatever. You don't have to flip people off. So good 360 situation awareness from this rider. Good planning. Hey, GG, welcome to the motorcycle gear giveaway. Woo! So we're gonna do this. Now, once you see this, just sit back and watch the idiot. Don't get near. Don't get in front. Just sit back and watch. If they crash, hopefully you got a trauma kit that you can assist in the medical and trauma situation that is at hand. Link is in the description. We're almost sold out, by the way. So watch the dum-dum.
Know how to drive anymore?
There's the dum-dum. So if that's the case, don't get next to him. Just don't get next to him. I can't trust him. So he did good with the 360 situation awareness, and that person's going to get in the far left lane and pass up. You see how the rider, though, anticipated this Honda Civic probably to do that? It's because he's keeping his good 360 situation awareness when it comes to his mirrors. You can't see it probably with his head checks, but very good, because you don't want them to be coming up on you either. All right, we're going to move on to this next one. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.